Okay, that's my announcement flash. It's really silly. So this is my news flash. You don't need to hire me. You don't need to hire me, guys. You can watch these videos I'm doing and literally put it together for yourself. You can be like, okay, she does a 60-second video every day. She puts it through YouTube, and then she just shares about what she knows about. She shares about work, she shares about her project, she shares about her expertise, she shares about how long she's been in business, she shares testimonials. She talks about all the ways she wants to help you and all the ways she has experience. Guys, that's it. That's marketing. Modern marketing is just like showing up and sharing about yourself and sharing about your business, and people will be attracted to you. It's attraction marketing. So like, you don't have to hire me at all. You just need to make videos and put them on YouTube for a year. Just do it. Just be consistent.